back again. Now let's see. This is a little bit complicated drawing, but it's very simple. Let's see how easily we can draw this in AutoCAD 2D. So looking at this, we have a circle, two circles here with one diameter 30 and one diameter 20. And if you check this place too, now this outer circle, the diameter is shown here 50. Okay, and we have this circle also here having a diameter of, if you check from here, you see 20. That's the arrow pointing at it. And then we have the smaller ones. The diameter is 3 diameter, okay, 3 millimeters. And then if you check the smaller circles inside, they are 6. Okay, and they are drawn on this hidden center line showing a diameter of 14. Okay, that is on PCB. So the PCB is a 14 diameter over here. Now if you look closely, there's a gap here, a cutout 10 millimeters. Okay, and this radius, this thing over here, that's the radius is 20, and this inner one too is 15. Okay, yes, it's 15. And then there's an angle here to this angle is 129 degrees. All right, so let's see how we will draw this thing. So I'll start from this place. So let's open the AutoCAD, select center diameter, draw a circle, diameter 30. So enter your diameter of 30, you zoom out, and then the other one is 20. So you do the same thing, 20. Okay, now the distance between these two is 62. Alright, so we are going to do a circle. So circle, let me pick, okay, so circle, let's pick the circle command from here. The distance is 62 and then the diameter is 50. So sorry, I think it's pick the radius. So from here 62, and then if you check the diameter is 50, so enter 50. Okay, now let's draw the inside. Let's draw this one. This one is radius 20. Okay, this one, it is a circle that they've trimmed this side. So this one is having a radius 20. This and this, you can see they've written 2 times R20, which means this one and this one, they are all 20. So it's simple. Select center radius, click here, enter radius of 20. So automatically you get a full circle, then you trim. All right, now let's try the inside one. This inside one is also having a radius of 15. So you see also 2 times R 15. So here and here. So that one, it is starting from this place. If you can see, the measurement is 10. Okay, so you can just pick a circle with radius, come to this side, shift, just drag it, enter 10 for the distance. Okay, and then draw a circle with radius. The radius is 15, so enter 15. Okay, now pick your line, locate the center, join it, and then offset it. We are drawing this one, this cutout, offset, and the distance, enter 5. Select this up and select here down. Okay, now when you do that, you are going to get your cutout. So if you look, there's a radius here. You can see 4 times R2, which means the radius, all these 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all having a radius of 2 millimeters. So take your fillet command, radius, enter 2, and then click multiple. Now click here, and click here, click here, click here, and here and here as well, here and here. Click here, no, not this one. So select fillet again, radius 2, and click this circle and this line. Okay, so if you look carefully, we are done. We are already having our cutout. So trim it. Let's delete the unwanted lines from the work. Delete this one also. Okay, so you can see clearly we are having this cutout here. Now let's draw this circle with diameter of 20. So circle, center diameter, enter here, diameter is 20. Okay, and now on the PCB is 14. So draw another circle with diameter 14. Okay, so on this circle is what you are going to draw the 6 circles. Now there's an inner one, diameter of 8. So let's draw that one. This one having a diameter of 8. Good. So let's draw this with the diameter of 3. These small circles. So pick your circle. Now locate the quadrant of this one and then enter a diameter of 3. Good. Now we have to arrange this one 6. Okay, so to do that, you just go to array, you select polar array, then you select this circle, press enter. It says specify center point, so we click the center point, and already we are having 6 items. So if your own is not showing 6, just enter 6. Assuming yours is 4, clear it and then enter 6 over here, and after that just tick this one, and then you see it's done. Okay, so there's a fillet here, radius 50. So let's do that. So select fillet, radius, enter 50, click here, you can mirror it if you want. So select MI for mirror, locate the center, click, say no. Alright, so we are done with the down, remaining this one. Now this one is very simple. You can draw a line of an angle, or you can make it straight, then later you rotate. So let's do that of the straight one. So I'll just pick a line, or you can even take the circle. You see the center to center distance is 80. Okay, and the circle diameter is 30. So let's pick center diameter from the center here. I'll just enter 80 for the distance, and then the diameter is 30, so I'll enter 30. Good. The same thing, there's another one, diameter 20, so I'll enter 20. Alright, so we are having it. Now there's a radius, a fillet radius of 100. So click fillet radius, then say 100. Now click here and click here. You can mirror it, select a line, use your shortcut MI, select the center, and then select no. Okay, so now you can see we are having this one also as well. Now, but this is straight as compared to this one. The angle from this place to this side is 129. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to rotate this one. Alright, so how are you going to do it? AutoCAD read angle in the anti-clockwise direction. So from this side is 0, here is 90. Okay, to this side will be 120, and we are having 129 from this place coming here. So what I'm going to do is you're going to subtract 39. The angle formed here is actually 39, because you know from here to here is 90. Okay, so from 90 to this side this will be 180, and now from this place, so if you are calculating, we can calculate that from this place to this side will also be 90. So 90 plus another 39 will give us the 129. Okay, so you subtract the 39 from the 90, which we are going to get, sorry, we are going to subtract the 90 from 129, and we are going to get 39. Okay, so let's do that. So select this one, rotate, enter, then click the center. Now if you go in this direction, if you go in the anti-clockwise direction, it is positive for AutoCAD. If you come in the clockwise direction, it's negative. So since we want 39, we are going to enter minus or negative 39 so that to come this way. If you enter positive 39 to go this way, so we want it to come this way, so we just enter minus or negative 39, and then you see our angle is formed. So if you want to measure, you can just draw a line to check, just a line to check your angle if what you are doing is correct. So click here, angular, click this line, you can see 129. Okay, so this is what you want. So now I think we are done. Let's create a layer for our dimension. Now see, this is not a full circle, so let's change it to a short dash line so that our work will be neat. So I'll pick this one, hidden. Okay, click here. Okay, I'll select it and put it on that hidden line. Okay, good. Let me also change. Alright, so now I'm going to make our work a little bit thicker. I'll increase the line width so that it will look a little bit nicer. Alright, so let's create a layer for our dimension, and then we will be out of here. So layer properties, new layer, give it a name that you want, change the color if you want. I'll use this, let me use this one, and then I'll change the line width as well, something lighter than the drawing. Okay, so let's start with the diameter. Okay, so select diameter, but before then select the layer that you created, this one, and select diameter. This is 30. Diameter again, here is 20. Now let's take diameter again for this side, 30, 20, and for this side this one. Now let's also give for this one, which is 14, and then for these 3, okay, and then the inner one as well, this inner circle. Okay, I want to position it well so that to be clear. Alright, so now let's see which one is left. So we pick radius. Let's pick radius for this side here, this one as well too, then here. Now let's pick radius for this side, which is 2. Okay, so the 2 applies to all. Alright, and then let's go for linear, which will help us to get 10 here. Linear again for this point and this point, which is 10. Now center to center distance here and here is, no, it's actually here and this point, not the other side. 62. Okay, now we can put center marks. You can put center. To do that, just enter CM, press enter, click here, click here, click here. Okay, you get your center marks. But you see this center mark is actually vertical, it's not inclined. So select it, you can select it and then rotate it just like the way we rotated it. Rotate it, and then the angle, the base point is here, so the angle, enter negative 39. Okay, and to just be in line with this one, just like you want it. So from here, okay, yeah, and the distance, let's continue the dimension. The center, this center to center dimension from here to here. Okay, let's pick a line. So center is 80. Okay, so that is the work. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video for more projects and tutorials like this. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and then I'm going to attend to you shortly. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.